Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you the different ways you can check your Tesco mobile balance. First, method 1, using the Tesco mobile app. Download the Tesco mobile app for free from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and log in to your account. From here, you can instantly view your balance, remaining minutes, text, and data. Next, method 2, by phone call. If you're on pay as you go, just dial 4444 from your Tesco mobile phone to hear your balance. If you're on prepay, dial 282 instead. Next, method 3, by text message. Simply text the word balance to 2112. You'll get a free text back with your current balance. Next, method 4, online via My Account. Go to the Tesco mobile website, log in to My Account with your username and password. Here, you can check your balance, top-up history, and usage summary. And that's it. 4 easy ways to check your Tesco mobile balance. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.